Marami sa mga Pilipino ay nahihilig sa kape at pagre-relax sa coffee shop. Ikaw ba, Chi, mahilig ka ba sa kape?
Super!
At ngayong araw naman ay bibida sa ating negosyo tayo ang isang bakery and cafe business. Panoorin natin yan dito lang sa Negosyo Tayo.
Malaysia at Pilipinas, dalawang bansa na parehong mayaman ang kultura pagdating sa kape. At ang mayamang kulturang yan ay pinagsama ni Angeli Rivas sa kanyang itinayong bakery and cafe business. Maliban sa kape o kopi sa lengguwahe ng Malaysia, ay mayroon din silang tea, breads, cakes, pastries at iba pa.
We also cater to events, so if you have birthdays, weddings, so we can do sweet grazing tables or dessert buffets.
Ngunit bago pa man pumasok sa pagdinegosyo si Angeli, ay dati rin siyang isang simpleng empleyado, katulad ng karamihan sa atin.
I was a former advertising employee, and then I focused in marketing. For me, it's every employee's goal to have their own business sooner or later, right?
Ngayong taon lamang sinimula ni Angeli ang kanyang negosyo, pero mayroon na siyang isang branch ng bakery and cafe at dalawang branch ng bakery na magta-transition na rin into bakery and cafe. Ngunit bago pa man nakamit ni Angeli ang success na tinatamasa niya ngayon pagdating sa pagnenegosyo, ay marami munang pagsubok ang kanyang pinagdaanan at napagtagumpayan.
I think lesser sleep. When they said na when you're an employee is overtime as an employer, you don't have any overtimes. If you wanted your business to prosper, you have to extend longer hours for it to be done, for it to be successful. Putting up a business is not like all happy moments. When you reach this gross sales, na you think you're already successful, that you're earning more. But when you dig deeper, you'll check your net income, there are operating expenses. You have a lot of employees to think about. You have to open your heart to your employees. Now, doesn't mean na you own the business, you own also the people. It's not like that. You are working with them.
Sa lahat ng gustong makipagsapalaran sa mundo ng pagnenegosyo, ito ang kanyang payo.
If you wanted to start a business, the time is now. Because if you're going to prolong it, then you'll never know if it will prosper or not.
Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, negosyo tayo!
Sarap naman nun, Chi. Ay, wala ka.